Welcome to another video to Fenor Builds. Last time I told you guys to stay tuned. I had a little project that I was working on that I was going to show you guys. If you don't mind, just like, subscribe, and share my video. It helps the algorithm. But the one thing that I was working on was this. Some of you may know what it is, some of you may not know what it is. I'm actually not done. I'm priming it, I'm getting it ready to paint, but give me a couple of days and I'll upload another video. Also, here's an update. I know you guys were wondering about my war machine. So here's a little update that I actually have for you guys. Oh, just dropped it. Here's an update. And I'm still working. I still have more to do. This is just a slight beginning. I have the left and I also have the right. And right now I'm actually printing out the fingers, which I do have. I have for the left, working on the right as we speak. And I'm also doing the Blue Beetle. I know everyone has done it so far since the trailers came out, but yeah, this is wearable. But yeah, I'm actually working on that. I'm just doing the helmet. I already have a couple of pieces that's already done and that's primed and going to be getting ready to get painted and everything. So just bear with me. I have a lot more to show you guys. Now I'll catch you guys in the next one.